Hi guys, it's Legionero back with another video. Welcome back to my channel, and I would like to welcome all of my new subscribers. So my birthday was September 1st, and usually I spend my birthday at Dragon Con, but this year of course is canceled. And I wanted a really special gift, and my brother bought me this Cricut maker machine. I was really only expecting the Cricut Air 2. I can't think of what the Cricut Explorer Air 2, that's what it's called. But he bought me the Cricut Maker, which is a more sturdy machine. They pretty much do the same thing, except this one is like the godfather of the Cricut, because you can do a lot more with this machine. So I decided that I would do an unboxing with you guys. So let's go ahead and take this Cricut Maker out and see what's included in the box. Okay, so what's included in the box is the premium fine point blade, the rotary blade, and a fine point pen. You have a let's get started box. To begin, go to Cricut.com/setup. So I have to do that on my computer. Set this aside. These are the two mats that come with the machine. This is the fabric. The pink one is the fabric grip, and I'm guessing that this one is for vinyl. I've never used a Cricut before, so I have no idea. This is definitely going to be a learning experience for me. Oh, this is the actual machine. Let me set this down real quick. This looks like power cords that go with it. Making sure I got everything out. Alright, so that's the machine. It has plastic around it. So let's open this up. Right. So when you lift up the top and the bottom open slowly. It says Cricut Adaptive Tool System. That's where you put your blades. So whatever blades that you have or you're using for your project, your blades go here. And then if you're using pens to draw, those pens go here. On the top here, you have your power button. This looks like a feed button because there's arrows going in opposite directions. That's a C for, I'm guessing, for Cricut. Not sure what I use that for. And then that's a pause button. Here's some little slots here for storage, I'm guessing. And also, if you lift this up, this is more storage. So now I have to find the extra supplies that they say come with the machine. Aha. When I checked the let's get started box, that makes sense, right? Told you I'm new to this, have no idea what's going on. But that let's get started should have been self-explanatory to me, huh? Alright, here we go. So here's some materials for your first project. And I've watched some Cricut video unboxings myself. And I know there's a patch of fabric in here and some other things. But I'll do a video on a first project, maybe. I'm not gonna promise that. This says open me first. So once I sit down and get all this out, I'll open that. I'm not going to do that on camera. Here's a welcome. You've got this and you've got us. Need help before going back to the store? Use these resources. So different resources. Here is another blade that comes with it. Here is my welcome book. And this looks like another cord. This is a USB cord. This is the rotary blade cap. This is the pen that comes with it. It's a black pen. And here's the warranty. Alright guys, so that is the Cricut Maker and everything that's included in the box. Hopefully, since this is the long weekend, I can get some projects done and do like a recap video, like I would do my sewing recap videos, and show you all what I made with my new Cricut Maker. So happy birthday to me, and thank you, big brother. Alright, if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video.